Hello ladies and gentlemen, molweni bahlobo bam. In this video I'll be teaching you guys how to say goodbye. So if you are the one that's leaving, you would say to the person that's being left behind, Sala kakuhle. It means stay well. Kakuhle means well or goodly. And the person who's staying behind will say to you, Hamba kakuhle, which means go well or farewell. So, but if it's in plural form, you would add the syllables ni at the end of the verb. So if you are leaving a group of people, you would say to them, Salani kakuhle. And if you are a group of people that is leaving, then the people or the person who is left behind would say, Hambani kakuhle. So let's just do a little bit of a recap. Hamba kakuhle, go well. Sala kakuhle, stay well. Hambani kakuhle, go well. Salani kakuhle, stay well. Salani kakuhle.